Hello, my name is Kenneth Himmler Sr., and today you're going to learn ideas on how to reduce the amount of taxation on IRA withdrawals. One thing to keep in mind, assuming that all of the deductions that you put into your IRA were deducted from your tax returns, meaning that you did not add any non-qualified or non-deductible IRAs. When you go to take money out of your IRA, it will be taxable as ordinary income tax. And at least in this country, the more you make, the more you will pay as a percentage of the amount of income that you take. Let me explain. Our tax brackets work in ladders. So the more that you make, the more that you pay. You might be in a 10, 15, 25 to 28, or possibly even a 35% tax bracket. So if you're married filing jointly and you are now making, say, $80,000 a year, and you decide that you want to take $100,000 out of your IRA, that is going to bump your bracket from where you are now, which is 15%, up to 25 to 28% bracket. So here's some ideas on how you can get money out of your IRA at least at a reduced tax, not tax-free, but reduced tax. A, if you've lost your job, that will avoid the 10% early withdrawal penalty, but not the tax. B, if you are married filing jointly and it's your first time you're buying a home, you can take $10,000 and your spouse can take $10,000. Avoid the 10% penalty, but again, it does not avoid the tax that you pay. How do you reduce the tax? You can use offsetting credits. You can use historical tax credits, real estate tax credits, oil and gas tax credits. You can even use your mortgage, the interest you pay, as a deduction against the IRA to get it out. Now, the other thing you can do is you can split your IRA withdrawal between tax years. So as an example, instead of taking $100,000 out in one tax year, take $50,000 out in December and then another $50,000 out in January. That will split the brackets and give you the advantage of possibly staying in the lower tax bracket. The key, the number one key is, as you earn more money, you will pay more as a percentage for tax. Today you learned about deduction tips for taking money out of an IRA, and again, my name is Kenneth Himmler Sr.